Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to remove or disconnect AirTag from iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Find My app. Bring your AirTag near your iPhone. Tap Items from bottom menu. Tap on the AirTag name that you want to remove from items list. Now swipe up to get more options. Here you will see Remove Item. Tap Remove Item. Remove AirTag. What will happen when you remove AirTag from iPhone? Remove from Apple ID. This item is linked to your Apple ID. Removing this item will allow it to be activated and used by another person. You can set up this AirTag again by bringing your iPhone nearby. Tap Remove. Once AirTag has been removed, it will need to be set up to use it again. Tap Remove one more time. That's it, AirTag removed or disconnected. So these are the steps to remove or disconnect AirTag from iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.